The life cycle of tornadoes was better understood after waterspouts were studied in a project off the Florida Keys. These were true waterspouts, not just tornadoes over water. True waterspouts don't need a powerful thunderstorm as a generator. True waterspouts are spawned from towering cumulus clouds, often with rain showers, along wind shear zones, over warm water. Smoke flares were used to reveal the complex airflow around the waterspouts. The flares show that airflow was not always directly into the vortex. The flow seemed to be strongly influenced by the cool outflow from nearby showers. That cool outflow may have had a role in creating the waterspouts. Instruments were swung through the vortex columns. Some waterspouts were directly penetrated by aircraft. And others were studied in time-lapse. The Florida studies identified 5 stages in the life cycle of waterspouts. The dark spot stage, the spiral pattern stage, the spray ring stage, which is very short-lived, the mature stage, and the dissipating stage.